Imagine sitting on your couch, grabbing your remote, and realizing that the boring little streaming box under your television has just turned into a monster gaming console. For years, we all looked at the Apple TV as a glorified Netflix machine. It was fast, it had a smooth interface, but Apple always treated it like a minor side hobby. The tech world kept asking when Cupertino would finally take the living room seriously. Well, the wait is officially over. Apple is completely rewriting its entire living room strategy, and nobody saw it coming. According to major industry insiders like Mark Gurman, Apple is dropping a massive two-tier system. Instead of giving us one basic streaming box, they're launching two entirely different devices, the Apple TV Pro and a total beast called the Apple TV Ultra. The Pro model is exactly what you would expect. It is the safe, reliable choice for your parents to watch high-quality movies, browse YouTube, and scroll through a slightly faster version of tvOS with an updated Siri remote. It keeps the same classic plastic design and just does the basic jobs perfectly. But the Apple TV Ultra is a completely different story. This is not some cheap streaming stick designed to compete with a Roku or an Amazon Fire Stick. Apple is building this specific machine for high-end gaming, deep local artificial intelligence, and absolute smart home dominance. They're going directly after dedicated gaming consoles like the PlayStation and Xbox, alongside advanced home automation hubs. Honestly, gaming on a TV box has always sucked because of weak processing power. No one is going to drop serious cash on a premium entertainment box just to see their home screen apps load 1 second faster. Consumers want to see undeniable performance. To fix this, Apple is making a drastic hardware pivot. Renowned tech analyst Ming-Chi Kuo reports that Apple is completely removing standard mobile chips from the Ultra model. In the past, they recycled older iPhone chips to save money and keep things cool. This new Ultra model breaks that tradition by using heavy-hitting, Pro-class silicon. Experts believe the machine will feature the powerful A18 Pro chip or even a specially modified version of the upcoming A19 architecture. This means your television box will literally possess desktop-level graphics performance right inside your living room. Putting this kind of silicon into a streaming box used to be impossible because of extreme manufacturing costs. However, recent reports from DG Times highlight that TSMC has reached a major milestone with its 3nm chip production. The yield rates for these advanced processors have hit a perfect sweet spot, making manufacturing way more efficient and affordable. Because of this breakthrough, Apple can finally put premium, top-tier silicon inside a living room device without raising the retail price to an astronomical level. But throwing an incredibly fast, power-hungry chip inside a tiny plastic box creates a massive engineering nightmare. High-performance chips generate an insane amount of heat. A tiny device can run fast for 10 minutes, but a heavy gaming session lasts for hours. When a small box gets too hot, the system automatically slows itself down to protect the hardware, which is called thermal throttling. When your device throttles, your frame rates drop, games start to stutter, and the whole user experience falls completely apart. Apple knows this limitation inside and out. Because of this, new schematics leaked by MacRumors reveal a radical physical redesign for the Apple TV Ultra. The hardware diagrams show that the Ultra model will feature a noticeably larger chassis than any previous version. This extra physical space is entirely dedicated to a brand new thermal management system. For the first time ever, Apple is introducing active intelligent cooling to its television hardware. The new design features a larger body, optimized internal airflow pathways, and a completely redesigned physical heat sink. This setup means a tiny, whisper-quiet internal fan can push hot air out of the system efficiently. With this active cooling loop, that Pro-class chip can run at its maximum clock speed indefinitely. You will be able to play demanding video games for hours at a time without experiencing a single random slowdown. The machine will easily handle intensive modern graphics features like real-time ray tracing and Metal FX hardware upscaling while remaining calm. Completely stable. But let's be real for a second. Having a powerful chip is completely pointless if you do not have great software to utilize it. Apple already has pieces of the puzzle, but they never tied them together for the television. The Apple Arcade platform is clean, but is mostly populated with mobile games. On the bright side, they have spent the last few years building aggressive, system-wide controller support. Modern Apple devices work flawlessly with PlayStation, Xbox, and Nintendo controllers right out of the box. Plus, the wireless audio integration is already unmatched, letting you sync AirPods effortlessly for instant spatial audio with dynamic head tracking. To bring this all together, tvOS is getting a massive ground-up overhaul. Tech insider Shrimp Apple Pro recently leaked information showing that Apple is building a dedicated, unified gaming space across its platforms. This update will introduce a brand new gaming hub directly onto your television screen. This hub will serve as a single destination for everything related to interactive entertainment. Instantly syncing your cloud saves across your iPhone, iPad, Mac, and Apple TV Ultra. The moment you sit on your couch, you can instantly resume the exact gameplay session you started while riding the train. To make consumers comfortable paying the classic Apple tax, they absolutely need big console-style games. If they secure those partnerships, the hardware is fully prepared to deliver. This brings us to the second major pillar of the Apple TV Ultra, which is Apple Intelligence. Running artificial intelligence models on a large television screen is a completely different ballgame than running them on a personal smartphone. On an iPhone, AI is highly personal. You use it to draft private text messages or clean up your calendar. Nobody wants to sit on a living room couch and ask their television to rewrite a private email on a giant 65-inch screen in front of all their friends. That would be totally awkward and pointless because the context of a television is inherently social and media-focused. Leaked sources suggest that Apple is customizing its large language models specifically for entertainment consumption and smart home management. Instead of productivity tools, the AI inside the Apple TV Ultra will focus on contextual understanding and deep environmental control. Imagine holding your remote control and speaking naturally to your television. Instead of using strict robotic voice commands, you could say something highly specific like find that action movie with a famous airport fight scene. The local AI will instantly analyze movie scripts, descriptions, and scene data to bring up the exact film you're thinking of. You can also use natural language to control your immediate environment while a movie is playing. You can say, make the dialogue louder and turn off the kitchen lights. The system will instantly use advanced audio processing to boost the vocal frequencies in the speakers while simultaneously communicating with your smart home network to dim the lights. Historically, Siri on the Apple TV has been a massive joke. It frequently misunderstood basic names, failed to connect to smart devices, and forced users to type out searches manually using an annoying on-screen keyboard. The Apple TV Ultra aims to fix this reputation completely by utilizing the dedicated, high-performance neural engines built directly into the new Pro-class silicon. All AI commands will be processed completely locally on the device. Local processing changes the entire experience. It means the system does not need to send your voice recordings to a distant cloud server just to understand a basic command. As a result, response times will be incredibly fast, and commands will execute almost instantly. It also makes the entire system highly private, which is critical for a shared family device. To make a shared AI system work smoothly, Apple is introducing advanced smart profiles. The Apple TV Ultra will use its local audio processing capabilities to instantly recognize exactly who is talking to it. When a child speaks to the remote, the system will automatically restrict content to kid-friendly shows and lock down access to sensitive smart home controls. When an adult speaks, the system will instantly load their personal media recommendations, keeping watch histories entirely separate. This ensures that a parent's movie suggestions are never ruined by iTunes. It also protects your physical security by ensuring that unauthorized guests or young children cannot accidentally unlock the front doors or disable home security cameras using a voice command. This deep integration leads directly into the final major pillar of the Ultra model, which is complete smart home domination. A living room streaming box occupies a highly unique position in the modern household. Unlike a smartphone that leaves the house with you, the television box is always physically plugged into a power outlet and always connected to your home network. This constant power supply and central location make it the absolute perfect brain for your entire smart house. Noted industry analyst Ross Young has repeatedly hinted at massive wireless connectivity upgrades arriving across Apple's entire hardware lineup. The Apple TV Ultra is expected to lead this charge by packing Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6, and native thread routing support right out of the box. Wi-Fi 7 will ensure that the device can stream massive video files and cloud games without a single hint of wireless network congestion. Bluetooth 6 will provide ultra-low latency audio connections for multiple pairs of headphones simultaneously. Cupertino is clearly turning a simple streaming box into the ultimate home powerhouse. In my opinion, the Apple TV Ultra is exactly what the tech world needs right now. For too long, the living room has been divided between cheap streaming sticks and expensive, bulky gaming consoles. By combining desktop-class performance, localized AI, and an advanced cooling fan into a single stylish hub, Apple is creating a device that can truly rule the living room. If they can successfully convince major game developers to bring flagship console titles over to tvOS, this will completely disrupt the gaming industry. It eliminates the need for a separate console entirely for casual and mid-core gamers. The focus on privacy first. Local AI processing also sets a massive benchmark for smart home hubs. It makes the entire home faster, safer, and much more intuitive to live in. This is not just a minor refresh. It is a total game changer. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another exclusive tech breakdown. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.